What is the one word for any action or gesture that encodes a message? The correct answer is signal. What is the one word for a person who performs work done by choice? The correct answer is volunteer. What is the one word for a politically organized body of people under a government? The correct answer is nation. What is the one word for a relatively flat raised area of land? The correct answer is plateau. What is the one word for involving the mind or an intellectual process? The correct answer is mental. What is the one word for a light fitful sleep? The correct answer is doze. What is the one word for being directly across from each other? The correct answer is opposite. What is the one word for an established custom? The correct answer is habit. What is the one word for the distance or interval between 2 points? The correct answer is span. What is the one word for gather something into small wrinkles or folds? The correct answer is crumple. What is the one word for hold or have within? The correct answer is contain. What is the one word for determining opinions by interviewing people? The correct answer is survey. What is the one word for a complex mental state involving beliefs and feelings? The correct answer is attitude. What is the one word for of soil, soft and watery? The correct answer is marshy. What is the one word for exercise authority over, as of nations? The correct answer is govern. What is the one word for a surface generated by rotating a line around a fixed line? The correct answer is cylinder. What is the one word for the content of observation or participation in an event? The correct answer is experience. What is the one word for natural abilities or qualities? The correct answer is talent. What is the one word for the series of vertebrae forming the backbone? The correct answer is spine. What is the one word for proceeding in small stages? The correct answer is gradual.